Alright, so you see here we got A8100P1_1 C1H1. That is the actual name here of that graphic. Of course, that's the same one, it's just a couple different things. But for relativization, so if you go down to your graphic, you see my 8100 view 01. Double click on that and you see I'm not getting any values. Everything's just kind of coming in blank. That's coming in blank. That's because it's relativized, and right now I'm viewing the base file, not on a device. And if you look at this right here, you double click on it, you notice that there's a slot path for the binding, and it doesn't really matter. You could use any point. This just happens to use zone temperature. That's perfectly fine. And then in the text, this is where you're going to relativize it. So this is relativizing that any device that it's attached to that has a points folder, which they all do, and then a zone temperature. So the naming there is critical. So to edit that, you can click on it, change this to be your zone temperature or whatever you want to call it. Doesn't matter. Any point that's under the points list. And then in your text, you'll notice that it has the parentheses parent.parent.display name. You could use parent.parent.name, display name, whatever. But this is where you're just going up 2 levels. So parent.parent display name, basically what that's doing is, if we go back and say, and I'm looking at an 8100P1, here's my points, and you see my zone temperature is here. So if I follow my tree, so it is parent, which is points, dot parent, which is 8100P1_1 C1H. So parent.parent display name. So it's going to input the display name of the device at that. So that's an easy way to relativize the display name. That way, when you're, like I said, when you're viewing it here, it's blank because it's not attached to anything, but that PX file is referenced to this device. So when I go here, now it puts in my display name. And if I do an edit, you'll see the same thing here. Here's my zone temp relativized. Here's my parent display name.